Well, Merry Christmas to my wife. She's getting a remote start on her 2018 F-150 today, and it's only going to take about 5 minutes, and this is supposed to work from 2015 to 2020. I am so confident that my wife never looks at my YouTube video. This is her Christmas present, and I guarantee you she will not find out before Christmas. It's only December 2nd, so she's got a whole month almost to figure this out. So we'll see. Let me know down below what you think, if she's going to figure it out or not. Let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you. This little module is where all the magic happens. Right there. This is StartX. You can get it on Amazon. There's two different types. There's one that just starts it, and there's one that also turns on the accessories. That way you can have your heated seats on, or your heat, whatever you may have on your settings in your dash. This is the 129 one. It's a really good price for a remote start. So basically all you have to do is this big connector goes in line with your OBD connector, and then you plug this into the module and you zip tie it on, and that's literally it. It should only take 5 minutes. There's two different versions of this. Some are lock, lock, lock to start, and then some of them are lock, unlock, and you hold lock to start. This is the lock, lock, lock. I thought that made more sense. So let me go ahead and show you under here. Here's your OBD2 port. And there is the connector that we have to undo. All right, I think I got a good angle for you guys to see. Here's the back of the OBD2 port, or whatever OBD we're on nowadays. Push this little clip right here, and then you can wiggle, and that disconnects. You take the female end of your new connector, push it into it, clicks. And I'm gonna take this, plug it right back in, and that's pretty much it. Now this blue connector right here plugs into the back of the module. I'm sorry, on this side of the module, the blue port. Now that it's in, it gives you a red light like that. Now all I gotta do is put the key in and turn it on. Don't start the engine, just turn the key on. After 3 seconds, it should go green. There it is. Now the green's off, now we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key back off. I'm gonna test it, make sure it works, then I'll zip tie everything up. There we go. Now that I'm thinking about it, lock, unlock, lock would probably be even better, because then it wouldn't honk and drive your neighbors nuts, but oh well. Some zip ties. So they got these nice little slots, and then right here in this little opening right there looks like a good spot to me. There we have it. Now I'm going to add a zip tie for this wire that comes down from the back. I'm going to add one over here and tie it up to the existing wires back there. And we're all done. Nice and clean. No wires. Everything looks good. Well, I hope that answered any questions you had about the StartX installation. Hit that like and share.